tool.
Thanks for stopping by. Here's a video on the color flip with RPM on a Tenere 700. I wasn't an immediate fan of the dash after I got the bike, and the color flip mod definitely piqued my interest. Remove the cluster from the bike, get it onto a workbench. It's dead simple to take apart, 8 screws, and you carefully pull it all apart. Removing the LCD screen proved to be the hardest problem, and the glue was quite the task to get cleaned up. Gotta be careful not to go a bit deep and nick the screen like I did. Make sure everything is super clean and install cover. You could stop here or install the RPM covers like I have. Carefully mark them all out, take your time, and it's not that difficult. And here they are side by side.